host for today. Welcome to the Sinopec. So now we come to this exhibition hall. So how about its strange? How about its highlights? Let's take a look. So hi, introduce yourself to our audience.
Thank you. My name is Samuel, and we are Hua Lin New Environmental Protection Materials. Yeah, I'm the business manager. Yeah. So let's introduce our company. Yeah. We are a FSC certified factory of 5 years, and we are producing the raw material paper and also the coated paper. Yeah. Besides, we are providing the soft packaging solutions for our customers. Yeah. We can provide very competitive services. We have 30 workers, and our factory occupies 10,000 square meters. Yeah. Okay, let's continue to introduce our product.
Products. This is the latest product, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
These are our new products, and it's called high barrier and heat sealable paper. It's eco-friendly and biodegradable. It has high fineness and stiffness. It's the substitute material of the traditional plastic film like PP and PE. Yeah.
I can see the different colors right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They can be made in different kinds of paper colors, and they are capable with prints.
Okay,
yeah, they can print it.
We can make it cute, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so how about the next one?
Okay, let's show.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Go straight, and we can take a route around the whole exhibition hall. And this one, right?
Okay.
Okay.
These materials and these
it's a big difference.
Yeah.
We can see.
Yeah. They're aluminum coated paper. These are traditional materials, but now we know they are used widely in our normal life, like the snack bag, snack paper, something else. Yeah.
Okay.
And
how about this one? Oh, it's for me. It's like I can use it in the kitchen.
yeah. For kitchen like hamburger and pizza, something else.
Hamburger sandwich,
Yeah.
something like that.
So they can print it with different kinds of materials and logos.
Maybe company logo can print on it.
Overall.
Okay, overall.
Yeah.
Okay, can see. So how about the next one?
Yes. What we want to say is because we produce the raw material, paper, and also we do the craft of coated paper. So we have the control the cost very well. Yeah, and we cut the middle part. Yeah, so I think that is our strength, and we certainly welcome all inquiries from our customers, and we hope to grow the business well with them.
Okay, so after the sharing, we know a lot about the Hua Lin from Zhejiang, China. So if you want to take a route of Hua Lin, just come to our Sinopec. We are in the scenes to maybe introduce you something and let you know about the strengths, know about the advantages. So very happy to share lots of things. So let's say goodbye. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.